In this video, we're going to show you how to create an AI activated landing page with us here at Royalty. Just log into your account, click on landing pages, and then add new. You're going to fill out your business name and your page name. You're also going to select your language and page URL and select your industry category and subcategory. You can toggle on over to activate AI on this landing page and click on next, and the landing page will be created for you. You can leave it alone and let AI do the work for you, or if you want to edit any portion of the landing page, you can use our drag and drop builder to add the sections that you'd like by clicking on the section you'd like and adding it anywhere by dropping it in. This is how to create an AI activated landing page with us here at Royalty. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.